Islamic view of nature. In Islam, the purpose of nature is for a man to study nature in order to discover God and to use nature for the benefit of mankind. Nature can be used to provide food for mankind, and its bounty is to be equally distributed among all peoples. All activities that cause harm to mankind and in turn destroy nature are forbidden. Destructions of the natural balance is discouraged. For example, unnecessary killing of animals or removal of vegetation may in turn lead to starvation due to lack of food. This view is an extension of the idea that man has been placed on earth as God's representative. Modern-day Muslim scholars educate that scientists and scholars are best motivated by these underlying values when undertaking scientific endeavors. The Islamic view of nature has its roots in the Quran, the very word of God, and the basis of Islam. The following passages from the Quran illustrate the relationship between nature and man, and how this relationship inspired Muslim scholars to study natural phenomena in order to understand God. The following verses also show the way the Quran presents the whole universe. We created not the heavens, the earth, and all between them, merely in idle sport. We created them not except for just end, but most of them don't understand. Surah Dukhan verses 38 and 39. Behold, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, in the alternation of the night and the day, in the sailing of the ships through the ocean for the profit of mankind, in the rain which Allah sent down from the sky, and the life which He gives therewith to an earth that is dead, in the beasts of all kind that He scattered through the earth, in the change of the wind and the cloud which they trail like their slaves between the sky and the earth. Indeed, are signs for a people that are wise. Surah Baqarah verses 164. According to the teaching of Islam, the essential elements of nature, earth, water, fire, forest, and light, belong to all living things and not only to the human race. Islam has emphasized the importance of preserving the environment and protecting natural resources. The Holy Quran also tells us to walk gently on the earth. The true servant of the Most Compassionate are those who walk on the earth humbly. Verses 63. Therefore, caring for the environment and protecting it from harm is an obligation for us, both as individual as well as collective. As Muslims, we are bound by a moral imperative to treat our shared common home with the care and respect it deserves. Thus, the reality of the ecological crisis and climate change represent one of the greatest moral and ethical issues of our time, which Muslims must respond to with action. Indeed, the values and principles established by a prophet which encourage public good forbid wrong action and urge us to always act in moderation already show us the way in terms of taking climate action. Take water use for instance. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, lived in a desert. He recognized how valuable water was and taught us to use it sparingly. His example takes on new meaning for us today. Nature is one of God's beautiful creations. Through nature, God is able to teach us, speak to us, and provide for us. For this reason, we can find in Scripture that we humans are called to protect all of which He has created.